Powerful 1/6 maximum horsepower induction motor provides up to 125 psi. Lightweight design, 23.1 lbs, for increased job site portability. Low noise for operator comfort, ideal for indoor use. Low AMP draw reduces incidence of tripped breakers at startup. Lever handle ball valve tank drain improves easier maintenance and air tank release. Roll cage construction for extra protection of pump and motor assembly. The roll cage construction provides added protection for the pump and motor assembly. Additional features include a low AMP draw that reduces the incidence of tripped breakers at startup, as well as an oil-less pump designed for maintenance-free operation.